morning, students. How are you? I think all of you are very well and staying at home safely, isn't it? That's very good. You know, at present we are passing a pandemic, horrible situation for COVID-19. In that case, we can go to our school, but we can stop our study. So, we will continue our study smoothly by the help of our new school, Shirazdi Khan Online School. Now, I am presenting my first online class for class 5. At first, I am introducing myself. Me, Ritarani Sarkar Ritu, Assistant Teacher, Shulpur Government Primary School, Shirazdi Khan, Munshigঞ্জ. So, dear student, let's go to our class. I know all of our students or kids love watch to cartoon. So, watch a cartoon.
The Hare and the Tortoise. A hare and a tortoise were having a chat together. They wanted to run a race. "You slow, lazy fellow, I can win any race," said the hare to the tortoise. "We will see," said the tortoise. The race started. The hare ran fast. Being forward, the hare rested a while, but the tortoise moved on and reached the winning post before the hare could wake up.
Now, tell me, what do you see in this cartoon? Yes, there is a hare and a tortoise are in a competition. So, dear student, can you guess what is our lesson today? Yes, today our lesson is the hare and the tortoise. The hare and the tortoise. Students, look at the screen. What do you see? Yes, here's some new words to us. The first word is forest. I repeat, the first word is forest. Forest means a large densely wooded area. অর্থাৎ ফরেস্ট মানে হচ্ছে বন, ঘন গাছপালা বেষ্টিত একটা বড় এলাকাকেই বন বা ইংরেজিতে ফরেস্ট বলা হয়। The next word is race. A contest of speed. অর্থাৎ রেস মানে হচ্ছে দৌড় প্রতিযোগিতা। Then the word is nap. Nap means a short sleep at day. A short sleep at day. অর্থাৎ nap মানে হচ্ছে দিবানিদ্রা, আর দিবানিদ্রা হলো দিনের বেলায় ঘুমানো। আমরা বিশ্রাম নেওয়ার জন্য দিনের বেলায় যে একটু ঘুমিয়ে নেই, এই ঘুমিয়ে নেওয়ার এই সময়টুকুকেই আমরা দিবানিদ্রা বা ইংরেজিতে একে ন্যাপ বলে। Steadily. Steadily means in a steady manner. In a steady manner. এর বাংলা অর্থ হচ্ছে নিয়মিতভাবে বা স্থিরভাবে বা অটলভাবে। অর্থাৎ কোনো কাজে সফল হওয়ার আগ পর্যন্ত লেগে থাকা, এটাই হচ্ছে steadily. The final word is furious. Furious means ফিলিং অ্যান্ড শোয়িং এক্সট্রিম অ্যাঙ্গার, অর্থাৎ বাংলায় যাকে বলে ক্রোধান্বিত বা উন্মত্ত। আর ক্রোধান্বিত মানে হচ্ছে খুব বেশি রেগে যাওয়া অবস্থা। স্টুডেন্টস, নোট দিস ওয়ার্ড on your practice book. Now, dear students, open your English textbook at page number 54. Yes, it is the hare and the tortoise. It is the hare and the tortoise. Now I will read out the lesson loudly, and all of you must keep your finger under each word of every line and listen to me carefully what I say. One day a hare was walking in the forest when he saw a tortoise. The hare was the fastest animal in the forest. The tortoise was the slowest animal in the forest. The hare called out to the tortoise, "Hurry up, you are so slow. Can't you walk faster? Can't you run?" The tortoise felt angry and said to the hare, "Why don't we have a race? Maybe I can win." The hare laughed and laughed. "Sure, I will win," the hare said. They agreed to start next to a big tree and finish at the river. Then they called their friends to watch. The hare stood beside the tortoise and the race began. The hare ran quickly, and in a few minutes the hare was out of sight. The hare said to himself, "The tortoise is very far behind. I can see the finish line. I have time for a nap." Soon the hare was asleep under a tree next to the path. The tortoise walked steadily on and on. He didn't stop. Soon he passed the sleeping hare. The hare slept for an hour. When he finally woke up, he looked at the finish line. He couldn't believe his eyes. Tortoise was almost at the finish line. The hare ran as fast as he could, but it was too late. The tortoise crossed the finish line and won the competition. The hare was furious. The tortoise looked back at the hare and smiled. Then he said, "Slow but steady wins the race." Students, now everybody read the lesson silently. Dear students, now answer the following questions. Students, now check your practice book with me. Number 1. Where was the hare walking? The hare was walking in the forest. Number 2. Why is the hare proud of? The hare is proud of because he can run fast. Number 3. How was the tortoise moving? The tortoise was moving slowly. Number 4. Who won the race? The tortoise won the race. Number 5. What do you learn from the story? Write in 2 sentences. From the story we learn slow but steady wins the race, and one should not neglect one's opposition. Dear students, now I will give you some homework for practice at home. Okay? Students, try this at your home. If any problem, we will solve it tomorrow. So, dear students, stay at home and practice all subjects more and more. See you next class. Thank you.